how to fix Messenger theme not working problem. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Messenger and make sure you are logged into your account. So in the Messenger chat, if you are unable to change the theme, then that may be due to various reasons. So for that, you can follow this step. So the first thing you need to do is you have to go back to your home page, and you can go to your device settings, or you can simply tap and hold the app, and from here you can go to app info, and from over here you have to go for storage and cache option, and you have to tap on clear cache, which is in the right hand side. By doing that, the Messenger will be refreshed and you will be able to fix your problem. But if you are still unable to fix your problem, then the simple thing you can do is you have to go back to your home page and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, you have to type in search for Messenger, and if any updates of the Messenger are available, you have to simply tap on update and your Messenger will be updated. And by doing that, you can use the latest features of Messenger by which your problem will be fixed. For that, you have to go back to your Messenger and see whether your problem is solved or not. If your problem is still unable to be solved, then the simplest thing you can do is you have to restart your phone. For that, you can long press on your power key and you'll be able to see the restart option. So simply click on that and restart your device. By doing that, you can fix your problem. So by following this step, you can fix Messenger theme not working problem. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.